Hello, students. Welcome to the class of English Literature. Today, in continuation of the last few videos, we are studying the novel Kanthapura, written by Raja Rao, the Indian novelist. In last videos, we have covered its 15 chapters. Now, in this video, we are going to study chapter number 16th, which has its title Satyagrah at Toddy Booth, or we can say Tadi Booth. Tadi means wine. So here it is, chapter number 16, Satyagrah at Tadi Booth. Their next target was Borona's Tadi shop. Here the narrator Achakka, a lady of old age, she is narrating the whole story. She says that after picketing at Borona's Todi Grove, now Murthy, the hero of the novel, decides to satyagrah at Tadi Booth, where the coolies of the Skeffington coffee estate, they come here and they drink here. So Murthy wants to prevent the coolies from drinking. Okay, their next target was Borona's Tadi shop. So they chose Tuesday, the day on which they would picket means dharna dena, Borona's booth. Tuesday was the market day in Kanthapura, a day of crowd. Means on this day there was there used to be a big crowd in the market. This time they did not take their children as they took them in the last picketing. On this day the coolies were brought in large number to drink at Borona's Tadi booth near the gate of the Skeffington coffee estate. So this day was selected for offering satyagrah in front of the Tadi booth. The purpose of doing so was to prevent the coolies from drinking. Such were the instructions from the Karwad Congress, and Murthy was to carry them out. Carry out means उनका पालन करना, उसको आदेश दिया गया था कांग्रेस कमेटी कारवाड़ के द्वारा कि वह इस प्रकार से जो ताड़ी बूथ है वहाँ पर धरना दे और लोगों को शराब के सेवन से दूर रखे. So quite early in the morning the satyagrahis, 77 in all, they were 77 in numbers, finished their work quite early and assembled in the temple. Assemble means इकट्ठा होना. After the performance of due ceremonies, they went to Karwad Road and then to Kenchamma's Grove, where Borona's Tadi shop was. As they reached the fair, a large crowd followed them. The crowd stretched from Kenchamma Grove to the Skeffington Road, and the crowd was shouting Vande Mataram and Mahatma Gandhi ki Jai. Murthy was at the head with Ratna and Rangamma on his either sides. The police had surrounded the Tadi booth. As more and more people came up, the crowd became huge. Their plan was to prevent the estate coolies from spending their money and drinking at the booth. Then some drops of rain began to fall at them, and they said God was showering his blessing on them. Soon they were outside the Skeffington Coffee Gate and close to Tadi booth. The police was already there in large numbers. The coolies were driven out of the estate towards the Tadi booth by the foreman. They came moving in a line with their heads down. Murthy instructed the Satyagrahis to squat before the Tadi booth. Squat का मतलब आलथी पालथी मारकर बैठना. In this way to prevent the coolies from entering it. मूर्ति ने उन सभी को आदेशित किया कि आप सभी लोग आलथी पालथी मारकर जो शराब की दुकान है उसके सामने आप बैठ जाएं, ताकि जो कुलीज़ हैं जो वहाँ पर शराब पीने के लिए लाए जा रहे हैं वो शराब की दुकान में प्रवेश न कर पाएँ. Soon it began to rain in torrents. Torrents का मतलब तेज़ बरसात होना. And with the rain also came the showers of lathis and blows. The policemen were beating the coolies who had refused to walk over the सत्याग्रहीज. वो जो कुलीज़ हैं उन्होंने सत्याग्रहियों के ऊपर से जाने से मना कर दिया, इसलिए पुलिस वालों ने उन्हें पीटना शुरू कर दिया. Then Borona started shouting from the Tadi shop that he would give the Brahmins a Tadi offering free of cost, and the crowd shouted back, calling him a scorpion and a snake. जब बोरोना ने ब्राह्मणों को ये कहते हुए लालच दिया कि वह उन्हें फ्री में शराब देगा, तो इस पर लोगों ने बोरोना को एक बिच्छू, एक सांप के समान बताया. द पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर बिकेम फ्यूरियस. क्रोधित हो गया वो पुलिसमैन. एंड ड्रॉव द क्राउड बैक विद हिज कैन. They wondered what would happen next because the police were still driving the coolies towards them. They were pushing themselves over them. Rangama suddenly shouted, Vande Matram, lie down, brothers and sisters. They all lie down. They all lie down. The coolies tried to stumble over them, but they lay so close to each other that there was not an inch of spare ground. These people on the ground gripped the coolies' legs, their hands, their dhotis to prevent them from moving forward. The rain continued pouring. The police became nervous and they kicked the people on their backs and stomachs. Stomach means pet. The crowd shouted Mahatma Gandhi ki jai. People banged kerosene tins and other rang bells. Some of the crowd ran toward the satyagrahis and lay down beside them. The police inspector rushed at the coolies and whipped them. Whip का मतलब चाबुक मारना, कोड़े मारना. And pushed them, and the other policemen caught hold of the satyagrahis' hair and tried to pull them up. The crowd begged the coolies not to obey the police when Rangamma was pulled by the police inspector and gave her such a kick that she got fainted. रंगम्मा को पुलिस के द्वारा पीटा गया और उसे एक किक के द्वारा मारा गया जिससे वह बेहोश हो गई. मूर्ति साउटेड महात्मा गांधी की जय एंड सच ए ब्लो गैग्ड हिज माउथ. और जब मूर्ति ने महात्मा गांधी की जय का नारा दिया तो उसे भी मुंह पर इस प्रकार से मारा गया कि उसकी भी जबान बंद हो गई, वह बोल नहीं पाया. देयर वॉज सच ए नॉइज दैट द पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर गेव ऑर्डर्स टू डिस्पर्स द क्राउड. डिस्पर्स का मतलब बिखेरना, तितर बितर करना. So the police charged the crowd. They heard screaming and crying and tents crashing down and vessels means bartan, bells and benches rolling. The market crowd had also gathered there. The police chased the crowd. While the police were chasing the crowd, these people begged the coolies not to drink, and some said, "By Kenchamma's grace, we will not." When the police saw this, they became angry, left the market people, and came back to them. The women as well as men were beaten. They got pots and pans, filled them with water from the gutters, and poured it on us. They lifted their saris and poured water on their bodies and beat them. With all the beating, the women fell one by one on the ground and fainted. When the Satyagrahis came to their senses, they found themselves in a lorry. Sinu, Vasudev, Siddhaya, and Range Govda, the former Patel, and the others were sent to prison. In all, 10 persons were sent to prison. The remaining 67 were placed in a lorry. Lorry means एक प्रकार की गाड़ी. But they did not arrest Murthy and he was still with them. The next morning they found that the Pariha street was full of new huts and new faces. This was so because 3 and 30 means 33 or even more coolies of the Skeffington coffee estate had come to live with them. And they all said, "The army of Mahatma is an increasing garland." The success of the Satyagrahis at Boronaj Tadi booth encouraged people in the neighboring villages to offer satyagrah and picket a number of other Tadi booths, which were forced to close down one after another. They begged the drunkards not to drink in the name of the Mahatma. Some men from Kanthapura would swing across to the other villages, where they helped picketing tadi booths, tadi shops. In this way, 26 booths were closed around Kanthapura. Murthy was admired everywhere. His picture hung means latakna, tankna. His pictures hung in many houses. People came in large numbers to have his darshan, and they said Kanthapura was lucky to have such a great man living in it. When Chandraya and Sitaramu were released from prison, they described the tortures inflicted by the police on the prisoners. Both of them had suffered severe means कठोर गंभीर tortures in the hands of the police. चंद्रैया और सीतारामू जब उनको प्रिजन से रिलीज़ किया गया तो उन्होंने वर्णित किया कि किस प्रकार से सभी कैदियों को वहाँ पर बुरी तरह से टॉर्चर किया गया पुलिस के द्वारा. After some weeks, the government men served them notices to pay taxes. A new Patel was appointed. Only 6 families paid taxes in the Kanthapura. The others refused in spite of the police threats. Murthy said that they should not pay taxes. The villagers obeyed Murthy, but they were afraid the police would throw them out. They were not thrown out, but one morning they found all the roads of Kanthapura blocked with stones. The canals were diverted, and policemen were guarding the village. A beadle announced. Beadle means announce करने वाला व्यक्ति. A beadle announced that if the taxes were not paid, they would be fined in excess. मतलब उन पर अत्यधिक पेनल्टीज़ लगा दी जाएगी अगर उन्होंने टैक्स नहीं भरा तो. इस प्रकार की वहाँ पर अनाउंसमेंट हुई. मूर्ति, रंगम्मा एंड रत्ना secretly went to every house advising people not to pay the taxes. The people did not sleep the whole night. So this was the summary of the chapter number 16th. In the next video we will meet with the summary of chapter number 17th. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.